Hey guys, it's Michael Internet Pro. Thanks so much for joining me here on this new video. I know you've seen so many of my videos, proof positive videos. I got over 1,000 videos. People always ask me every day, Michael Internet Pro, how can I make money with PayPal? I'm gonna show you guys. This is the new system I've been using. My instant pays $125 instant commissions directly to your PayPal. You can see transfers to my bank. You can see the monies I'm pulling in on a daily basis, multiple payments a day. This is a direct instant commission payment system. This is going to be the fastest way, guys, you can make money with PayPal. Go ahead, you'll find a link below this video. Make sure when you see the next page that you see that you're referred by me, Michael Internet Pro. Once you make your payment, you'll receive the system, all the training, everything you need to get started. This is going to be the fastest way you can make money, guys, and the quickest way you can build up your PayPal account. If this is what you've been looking for to make money with PayPal, trust me, this is the best system. My instant pays, instant commissions, guys. With that, my name is Michael Pro. Click the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.